Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. We're in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And I'm literally walking right now because I am in Ochi for my best friend's wedding. She's getting married this weekend and we're currently at Ocho Rios. And also this is my first time wearing my hair out like this for like I washed it, twist it up and then pull it out. And I didn't plan on wearing it like this. I was gonna like pull it back in one, but it looked nice and I don't think it's gonna like shrink up or anything. So this is how my hair is gonna be for the night. Let's see how it goes. It's my first time. I'm kind of nervous, but I trust it. I'm trusting my hair. So I'm going to meet the group and they're waiting in the lobby. We have the bachelorette tonight. It's Thursday night and they have like a whole, what would you call it, like a cowgirl theme. I have like her hat and everything ready. It says bride for her. So yeah. Wind is not working out. Anyways, decided to wear it out, but I don't know if it was a good decision because the wind is making it shrink up so much. But I found this pond in the hotel because I decided I was gonna explore, and I found this pond. It's so nice. It's a lot quieter than like by the pool where everybody else is. Just had a little like snack, you know, girl lunch, ice cream and fruits, and now I'm just chilling because we have rehearsals a little later. I don't even think I introed this vlog properly, but hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm in Ochi right now for my friend's wedding, my best friend's wedding, and we're all staying at Rio. And oh my god, look at the fishies. I think they're trying to get food from me. But anyways, but yeah, it's really nice here. This pond, it's so nice. I don't feel like going in the water or being by the beach, by the pool or anything like that. So this is like a nice little escape. I just wish there was like more seating area like around the actual pond. I'm only seeing like fishes in the water. I was kind of hoping there would be like turtles, but I don't see any. Turtles would probably be a little bit too hard to maintain, so maybe that's why, I don't know. There's a lot of fishes. the cooties. Hello. I have not seen you guys since yesterday. Good morning. Good morning. It's Saturday morning and I am trotting it to the hotel lobby right now to meet up with Vanessa because today's the day of the wedding. It's Saturday and we're gonna get some breakfast. It is now about 7:40 thereabout and we're getting picked up at 8:10. So I'm walking to meet her at the lobby and we're gonna get breakfast. It doesn't take that long to get breakfast and eat, and then we leave here and go to the family house to start getting ready. It's gonna be a long day. The wedding is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon and yeah, it's gonna be a very long day, guys. But I'm so anxious. I feel like I've been anxious for the last couple of days, but I can't even imagine like how Nessa feels, you know. But you guys probably would have noticed, I think I said this before, but you know, like a lot of the footage for this vlog is gonna be very like scattered and stuff because this really is a wedding vlog, to be honest. So I won't be able to like vlog as best as I can because you know there's so many things going on, but I will try. And probably for the wedding as well, I'll probably give my phone to Nico or something so they can vlog and you guys can get a bit of like behind the scenes kind of content. She's not here yet? Okay guys, I'm in the sports bar now, the hotel. I'm getting coffee. I'm getting a oatmeal latte. I had coffee with breakfast and I forgot to vlog, which I've been doing all weekend, but because I wanted to show you guys the food last night and also the food this morning. But last night's dinner and the breakfast this morning was really good. But yeah, I'm getting a coffee to go and then we're gonna leave in a bit.
I'm at vantage point. Message from the highest, now it's coming up my mind. Let it rain down on my body, watch it blossom in a month. We did the delay before nobody, now it's time to build the fruits of the art of our souls. Let the truth once eat.
guys
I'm
at the
still
pool?
sleepy.
Huh?
You can tell I'm still sleepy.
I'm not the bread anymore. Wedding's over.
She's the wife. Period. Oh, people, it's the next day. God knows I don't know what I filmed yesterday, but it's the next day. We're all up. It's almost midday. We got drinks. We're by the pool. We had breakfast, and now everybody can relax and kind of just enjoy. Yeah. Got this cat that goes on the chair here. I don't think the resort staff would like this, but like, hello? He looks so like, why do you look so exotic? How much do you cost? You look very expensive, sir.
Yeah.
I heard it vlog yesterday, no?
Well, you were busy being a better honor child.
Everybody's just like, oh my god, I can't wait to see the wedding vlog. I'm like, you do realize I've been busy all yesterday, right? So I'm like, it's mostly gonna be like resort. Yeah, it's all that way. Not happening. Whoa. Whoa. No, that is too much. Yeah. Not the sandals.
Me, my mom, and adults. I think one more.
Not them literally just sharing a fence. Can we jump it?
You see all the stuff that blew off people's phones?
Oh my gosh. I can't.
Oh, it's hard.
That's funny. It's funny. I'm walking back to my room and I'm like trying to take photos of the moon. So pretty. But I can never capture the moon like really well on my phone, but it just looks so pretty. Good morning, beautiful people. now after 10 and I am currently walking to breakfast because today it's Monday and today we're gonna go to Dunn's River. I've actually never been to the, well, I've been there, but I've never like really like explored it and stuff. I don't know, it's just never been somewhere where I've been that interested in. But today, since we're gonna be going with friends and all, I'm actually kind of excited to hang out with everybody and like actually experience the place. So we're gonna be doing that, and then after that we're gonna explore in Ochi Island Village also with the others, so that they can kind of get like good morning, so they can kind of get like some experience like being around in the town and stuff. Because I mean, this whole time that we've all been here, we've all been kind of focusing on the wedding and stuff. So yesterday and today has been like the first time, I think I said this in my blog before, but it's the first time that we all kind of get some downtime where we don't have to be worrying or like thinking about like the wedding and everything being together and ready for that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Heading to breakfast. The breakfast and the dinner here. Oh no. Yeah, the breakfast and the dinner is to me the best meals here. And when we're getting lunch, we usually go to like the jerk spot on the hotel. I prefer the food there at lunchtime. But yeah. This is my outfit for today. T-shirt, shorts. Nothing too crazy. Very relaxed. Yeah. By the way, we went to the water slides yesterday. I think I would have showed you guys that. I didn't go on the slides, so the slides look kind of crazy. But if you come to this hotel, though, at least you know that there's some slides on the property. Because I feel like a lot of people don't know that it's here. I've seen people say that they don't know that it's here, but it is. And if you're into that kind of stuff, it'll be fun.
It's not very pink, but it's awesome. I like it.
You thought it was my picture? The breeze feels so good. It feels so nice.